We started our trip 7 a.m. in the morning and headed to our first destination, Gupteshwar. Gupteshwar, which means the hidden god. Gupteshwar is popularly known for its gigantic Shiva Linga and limestone caves. When you reach this place, you will find a very beautiful river situated here. This place is 80 kilometers from Koraput and nests in a lush green hill. On the way to the temple, you will also find many shops available here. So this is the entrance of the temple, and to reach the temple there are 200 steps. So they do not allow photography inside the temple, so I could not shoot there. But this is the way to the temple, and this is how the Shiva Linga looks from inside. So the Shiva Linga you see here, it is said that it grows with time. Apart from the main temple, you will also find small temples here. So we found this small little calf sleeping on the road, and my sister could not resist loving him. See how cute it is? You will also find some of these caves deep in the forest with narrow and wide paths. Apart from the main linga here, there are many caves and all of them contains Shiva Linga. One thing which you will find very common here is, above all the lingas there is a shield from which droplets of water continuously falls on the lingas. Save a lot of energy because you have to walk a lot to reach to these caves and the Shivalingas. This place is very popular and pilgrims from all over the country come here during the Shravana period for their yearly Bolbam Yatra. So the people doing the Bolbam Yatra take bath in the Mahakunda and chant near the Shivalinga. Gupteshwar is also known as the Gupta Kendra Shabari, and it is also believed that Lord Rama came here on his way to Panchabati. So if you are visiting this place, try to explore as many caves as you can because every different cave is going to give you a different feeling. Trust me on that. And I just love this place. It is not only for the religious people, but I feel it is also for the people who love adventures. So, according to me, it is a must visit place. After spending 3 to 4 hours in Gupteshwar, we had our lunch and headed to our next destination, Duduma Hills. Believe me, guys, if I talk about scenic beauty, it can be only felt when you see it from your eyes. The hills, waterfalls, and the sunset. I call it my perfect evening. According to me, you need to take out one complete day to experience this place. As we've had to cover Machkund on the same day, we just saw the main waterfall from a distance. But if you have time, do have a closer look. It is worth it. The height of Duduma waterfalls is 157 meters, which is originated from river Machkund and located in Koraput district, Odisha. I really wish we had more time to spend here, but as it was already evening, we went to our next destination, Machkund. Machkund Dam is also known as the Jalapur Dam, which is a hydroelectric dam built on Machkund River. Although it was almost night when we visited this place, but the heavy flow of water was so calming and relaxing. I cannot forget. If you visit Machkund, try to come here before 5 p.m. as you will also be able to explore the inside of this dam for free. The low light could not stop us from clicking pictures. If you stay in or near Koraput, you can also visit this religious place called Koti Lingeshwar. Though there are very less people who know about this place, but as the name suggests, there are hundreds and thousands of Shivalingas which was found here buried.
एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्।
It is also said that these lingas are also growing with time. You will also find caves here, and few of them we managed to get into.
कृपासमुद्रम् सुमुखं त्रिनेत्रम् जटाधरं पार्वती वामभागम् सदाशिवम् रुद्रमनन्तरूपम् पर्तिपुरीशम् हृदि भावयामि।
Here they also say with Shiva they also have Shakti, and all the weapons which you see in this temple were also found buried, and nothing is bought. Even though this is a small temple, you will find utmost peace when you visit this place. So don't miss out on it.
Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and the name of the person I'm going to shout out today is
Mom Through Lens. Congrats Mom Through Lens channel.
And guys, if you also want me to shout out your name on my next video, or you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that small bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. For more such videos, stay tuned, take care, bye bye, love you all.